If Facebook is showing an error loading page, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick and easy fixes you can try right away. This is a simple troubleshooting guide that can help if Facebook isn't opening properly, is stuck on a loading screen, or keeps giving you an error message when you try to access your feed, profile, or messages. If this video helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Now, let's get into the fix. First, try refreshing the page. On your keyboard, press F5. Or if you're on a laptop or mobile browser, use the refresh option in your browser. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary loading glitch, and a quick refresh is all it takes to get Facebook working again. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing you should do is check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected properly, or switch to mobile data if you're on your phone. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons Facebook pages fail to load. If your internet looks fine but the problem continues, try logging out of Facebook and then logging back in again. This can reset your session and clear out temporary account issues that may be preventing the page from loading correctly. To do that, sign out of your account, close the browser or app completely, and then log back in using your email or phone number and password. If Facebook still gives you an error loading page, try opening it in Incognito Mode. In Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or another browser, open a private or incognito window and load Facebook there. This helps you test whether the issue is being caused by cookies, cached files, or browser extensions. If Facebook works in incognito mode, then the problem is likely with your normal browser data, not your account itself. At that point, you may want to clear your cache and cookies later as an extra step. So to recap, refresh the page with F5, check your internet connection, log out and log in again, and then try incognito mode. These simple steps solve the Facebook error loading page issue for many users without needing any advanced fixes. If one of these methods worked for you, let me know in the comments. And if you want more fast tech fixes like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.